Okay, so I have that the acceleration of a particle, I don't know what kind of particle, but let's just say it looks like that, is described by the function a of t equals to t plus 4. I know v of 0 is equal to 5, and I'm looking for the distance traveled during the time period from 0 to 10. Okay, so let's write down our strategy. Since I know the acceleration, my strategy can be, okay, well, I need to find since I'm looking for the distance traveled, well, I need the position function, right? And how do you find the position? Well, you need to find the antiderivative of the acceleration, which gives you the velocity, and then you find the antiderivative of the velocity to get the position. Okay, so once I find the position, then all I need to do is subtract, right, the position in the end, which is s of 10, minus the position in the beginning, which is s of 0. Okay, so let's get to it. So first off, the velocity. And the velocity is the antiderivative of the acceleration, which would be t squared over 2 plus 4t plus c. Okay, and then I use my information about the velocity. So I know that when the velocity, or when time is equal to 0, the velocity is equal to 5. So all I need to do is plug in 0 for t's, and then 5 for the velocity, and this is going to give me that c is going to equal to 5. Okay, so that means that the velocity function is equal to t squared over 2 plus 4t plus 5. Okay, so that's good. And now I can use this to find the acceleration. So I'm sorry, the acceleration, I mean the position. Okay, so the position function is simply the antiderivative of the velocity. So that would be t cubed over 3, but there's already a 2 there, so it's going to be over 6, plus 4t squared over 2, and then plus 5t plus d. Okay, now you might be thinking, well, wait a second, I don't know what d is. How am I going to find the position if I don't have any information to find d? But actually, it doesn't matter what d is, right? Because d is basically your starting point. And so, of course, if you're trying to find the distance traveled, well, it doesn't really matter what the starting point is. And you'll see, since we're going to subtract the ending position minus the initial position, the d is actually going to cancel out. So we won't worry about that. So let's do s of 10 minus s at 0. This is equal to 10 cubed over 6 plus 4 times 10 squared over 2 plus 5 times 10 plus d, and then minus s of 0. Well, f sub 0, if you plug in 0 into these, all these are going to equal to 0. The only thing left over is going to be d, so minus d. So there it is, see? The d's cancel. So you don't have to worry about those. So what's left over is 10 to the third, which is 1,000 over 6, plus 10 squared is 100, so 400 over 2, plus 50. And this is about, well, it's equal to 800 over 3, which is about 266.67. And this was in, was it in feet or, oh, there's no units. Okay, well then I guess we're done.